Have you ever heard someone say, the temperature dropped below zero, or I have lost $5? Believe it or not, you've already used integers in real life. In this video, we're diving into the world of integers, what they are, how they work, and why they matter. Let's make numbers less scary and more fun. So, what's an integer? What are integers? Integers are whole numbers. They can be positive, negative, or zero. Let's break it down. Positive integers start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Negative integers start at -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. 0 is also an integer, but it's neither positive nor negative. We use integers in tons of situations, measuring elevation, tracking wins and losses, keeping scores in games, or dealing with money. Let's say if you have $10, that means positive 10. Now, if you owe $10, that's negative 10. Now, understanding the number line can be confusing for many, but let me break it simple for you. The best way to understand integers is to look at the number line. Numbers to the right of 0 are positive numbers. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative numbers. Now, the farther you go right, the bigger the number. The farther you go left, the smaller it gets, even if it's a higher number in digits going towards the left. Now, I have a question for you. Which is greater? Is negative 2 or negative 5 greater? Which one? Well, negative 2 is greater because it's closer to 0. Now, based on that, let's compare integers. So, the first symbol means greater than. The second symbol means less than. And the third symbol means equal. We are going to use these symbols to compare integers. Let's look at some examples first. Alright, so the first example, 3 is greater than negative 2 because 3 is a positive integer and positive integers are always greater than negative integers. The second example, negative 5 is less than negative 1 because negative 5 is farther away from 0. The third example, 0 is less than 2 simply because 0 is the origin and 0 will always be less than positive integers. The next example, negative 4 is equal to negative 4 because, as you see, they are the same. Now, let's take some action and let's practice. Choose the correct sign. Pause the video, say your answer, and I will reveal the answer. So, negative 3, is it greater than or is it less than 7? Negative 3 is greater than negative 7 because negative 3 is closer to 0. Here's another example. Negative 1, is it greater than 5? Is it less than 5? Or is it equal to 5? Well, negative 1 is less than 5 because negative integers will always be less than positive integers. Right, another practice problem. Is 0 greater than negative 2? Is it less than 2 or is it equal to 2? 0 is greater than negative 2 simply because 0 is the origin and 0 will always be greater than any negative integer. How many did you get? Did you get all these problems right? So now, you see, it's all about how far numbers are from 0. That's how you understand integers. Therefore, I hope this video helped you understand integers, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.